So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at how you can turn your normal Android 8.0 Oreo device into sort of like looking Android P, and this is especially made for MI-A1. Well, not for MI1, but this video is actually focused for MI1. You can actually try this on any kind of Android 8.0 Oreo device or 8.1 if needed, but it must be stock Android. Yes, you can actually try this on the OnePlus with the Android 8.1 update. It might work, but for the best results, you must be running a stock Android. So as you can see right over here, MI1 is completely stock. As you can see, this is the Android 8.1 update. There is the new search bar, scrolling down system, about phone. As you can see, Android 8.1, the official update for the MI-A1. The camera works, as you can see, and now we are going to be making it like Android P. So for that you will need root. Of course, you can't do it without root, and in order to get this mod you will need Xposed framework. Now if you have some kind of weird device like me, such as this MI1, that's why I'm showcasing this phone, you might need Magisk and a systems module. Or if you just have a normal device like a partition, like most of the devices, not Pixel or the MI-A1, which are systemless updates, you can just directly flash Xposed and it would work. But for the remaining devices, just follow me if you have any kind of errors. So first of all, you have to download Magisk, link in the description, just download it, and now we would be booting into recovery. Power off. And if anything goes over your head, please let me know in the comment section below. I know many YouTubers have actually made a video on this, but those of you who have some of the issues, I'll fix it right over here. So first of all, hold on your power and volume up at the same time in order to go to the recovery, just like that. As now we are in the custom recovery, this is how it should look. Go to install, scroll down, Magisk, just tap it, confirm to flash. There you go, process has been completed, reboot the system right away. Now our phone is back up. Let's just check whether the Magisk has been installed. It must be happening over here. There you go. Open it, close. As you can see, successfully installed. Now you have to just go to downloads, scroll completely down until you find this Xposed framework SDK27. Now if you have Android 8.0 Oreo SDK26, I have the 8.1, the latest and the greatest. So I would be just going with the 27. So first of all, you have to just open it. And it would give you its special Xposed installer for Magisk. You have to install it, otherwise it won't detect, as we are installing it systemlessly, so there is no chances of breaking your device over here. Download it, I have already done. Install the APK just as you normally do. Done. Go back to the Magisk manager, install it, SDK27, install, allow. Now it will automatically begin the installation. As you can see, it's processing the file. Just reboot the device right away. And our phone is back up again, so let's just check whether the Xposed framework has been installed. There you go, it's green. If it shows yellow, you have to just reboot your phone and it will just do it again. And now the actual mod. Well, it's not available on the downloads, the latest version, so you have to actually download from the link in the description, and also the special launcher which is needed in order to make the recent apps panel working. That's why I'm actually making this video. I got so many messages cause literally no one is actually getting it to work. So you have to just install it. Let's just go to File Explorer. There you go, categories, APKs, Nexus Launcher Queue. Let's just install it first. There you go, done. And then the actual mod, Android p-ify, done. Let's just open it right away. As you can see, module not activated, but just in case, you have to just go to miscellaneous and make sure that it's on the first option, not on the Pixel one. If you go home, the newer Pixel launcher must be working. As you can see, works fully on my MI-A1. And now you have to just reboot your phone. Let's just set it on always. Reboot. And now that our phone is back up for the third time, you have to actually make sure that you have enabled the Xposed module into the framework. And let's just unlock our device, and if you don't already noticed, the clock is on the left. Yes, the mod is finally working. Drag it down, the Android P quick settings, and it just works flawless. As you can see, the animations are pretty much the same. You also get the black gradient on the top, and it doesn't quite actually look bad. Like looking at the screenshots, I thought it would be just the ugliest Android version ever, but this is actually quite beautiful. You can scroll it around. There is the brightness slider. You can edit the quick settings. Let's just now try the settings. As you can see, now even it looks like Android P. This is an extremely well done mod. And now the recent apps panel. Yes, it is fully working. As you can see, you can scroll it around and just open more apps. And if you encounter any kind of lag in it, you have to just go to settings. As you can see, the newer UI, home settings, and go to suggestions, turn off apps, just like this. And you shouldn't be getting any kind of lags in it. There you go. It has been restarted. and there should not be any kind of lag in it. You can scroll it around, you can open any kind of app, and also the animations are now from Android P. For example, as you can see, it just slides up from the bottom. And now if you want some extra goodies from Android P, you can get the Android P volume slider, just the free app Volume P. You can install it right away. Open it, give it all the permissions such as this, do not disturb access, so that it gets more options, accessibility. There you go, and now it has been successfully enabled. Let's just try it. As you can see, it just works and looks extremely like Android P. This is a very, again, well done app. Like on the newer devices, it doesn't even lag. You can just quickly switch your mod. There you go. Pretty handy touch. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. This was a quick little video on how you can make your phone look like Android P, but just make sure that it's running stock Android Oreo. And that's pretty much it. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe down there, and see you in the next one. Peace.